baby's looking good. Getting some stuff situated. Y'all saw from the freaking thumbnail, my 05 Cateye gets tuned. We have a great company we're working with today. We're about to go meet Tank Man. Let's jump in the truck and let's do it. Alright, y'all, we just grabbed some food out here at McDonald's. Tank Man just pulled up. I was actually really upset. I left my girlfriend's and I did a little 0 to 60 test for y'all, and I wasn't recording, so really didn't get that. I'll probably do a little something on the way to Alex's, but I know how the truck performs is pretty quick, but I just want to show you guys a little before and after, because if you're watching this video, why are you laughing? If you're watching this video, you probably want to know how these tuners are installed and if it's worth it. So let's jump in the truck and let's go see. Start for Alex. That video when we went and got Alex's exhaust done, bad lighting, I actually said like the way his truck throws super hard and kind of lets off, I love that noise. And the thing has gotten freaking louder. Literally, that hurt my ears. But old Cateye's probably gonna get exhaust here soon too. Let's go to Alex's and let's get this video going. All right, y'all, Alex is next to me. He wants to do from dead stop. Let's see, this isn't gonna be fair, but I say why not. So on your honk. It's not fair. Just got the Alex's, y'all. I'm gonna talk crap just cause I can. Like I said, I didn't have the foot on the brake. I didn't build some boost. Alex did, but either way, Alex's truck is extremely fast. But my truck's stock fit for it. It's pretty fast. The tires aren't too big. They're only 31, so I got a little bit of stock power right there. But yeah, my truck's pretty fast for what it is. Hopefully, this tuner is gonna make a difference. From the research and all the stuff I've been following, it's pretty much one of the best ones you can get. So that being said, let's whip it out and let's see what we got. In the video, I said we have a tuner that came from my truck. I'm just gonna throw it out there. There's a ton of tuners out there, all different kinds. The one that really caught my eye was Edge. Reason for it, because I actually saw when Braden got his truck, he had an Edge tuner in his, and then Miller, his editor, you guys know Miller, he got one put in his truck too. So I just started right away, went to Edge to start looking at their products, and I came across this one. This is the Evolution CTS3. It's one of the new ones they came out with. This is for GM vehicles, and they go all the way up to, I think it was 99 or 2000 to 2017. So actually, dipshit behind me, this could work for his truck. A lot of features on this tuner. We'll open up here in a second. I wish I could actually tell you guys more. I just know from the basics, this would be my first time actually taking it truly out the box, going through everything, and once we plug it up, I don't even know how this is gonna go. So that's why Tank Man's on the video with me. He's tuning shit. Come here. So Alex had 3 trucks. You had an 04, 05 Tahoe. 04 Tahoe. 04 Tahoe, you had 2013. Piece of junk. Piece of junk, and then you got the other piece of junk behind us now. Your Tahoe is pretty fast, so tell them what you got, what you had on it when you sold it, and like your speeds. We're trying to compare. This is an 05, pretty much same motor, just like a Tahoe. So explain to him what you had on it when you sold it. I had a 04 Z71 Tahoe. It had 456s in the rear, and I had a 93 octane tune from Powerhouse Performance. Tires? Tires, it had 35s on it before I sold it. 35? It had 35s on it before I sold it. And then you had a lift, right? Yeah, I had a 6-inch rough country. Fine. So when you had so you had all this done to it, what was your top speed from like 0 to 60? What was your time? I never timed it. Like maybe in the 9s, low 9s. That's my goal. If we can try to get this. Pretty slow though. I mean, that's still pretty fast for these trucks. I've been watching a ton of videos, y'all. They're saying you get a 40 to 45% more horsepower with this tuner. Depends on what kind of tunes you put on it. There's a lot of stuff we have to go over today. There wasn't too many videos on the Evolution 3 that I was trying to watch, so hopefully we're gonna make one today to give you guys, if you have any questions about it or want to get one. And by the way, like I said, y'all, Edge tuner, I hit up this company. We got in contact. Extremely good. I got, so far, everything great to say about them. I'm trying to get him to let me do one of my little burnouts on it once we install it. Oh God. We'll make it out the driveway. Yeah, I already said we would, but he slept on it, so probably not. It just depends. It just depends on what kind of power we're gonna get out this thing today. But all right, let's open the box. I'm show you guys what's in it, and let's jump into the video. Pull the cover off. We're gonna open this puppy up right off the bat. It's a nice box. You have a little manual right here. We'll just pop it up. I'm not gonna bore you guys, but we should honestly probably read this, Alex, to figure out what exactly is going on. It just tells you how to do this. Retard use instructions. Okay. No, I guess so too. That's really what we need to read. You're not gonna throw that. Oh, these are nice, dude.
Oh, I want one.
Like the 3D little stickers. Definitely go in the truck because we're rocking them now. Open the box, we'll pull this little foam right here. Here's our actual tuner. This is a 5-inch screen. It's all touchscreen. It's a lot of nice features, and you'd be shocked at actually how light this tuner is. It's not heavy at all, but it actually suction cups to your windows. So that's probably why they did that. Every time they made a new model, they kind of upgrade some features. So this is the newest one they've upgraded. Then open the box a little more. We have a second little box right here. Pull that out. That is a suction cup mount. You'll find a place for that where it best fits. So to run this tuner, it's an OBD2 scanner. It literally plugs up right underneath. If y'all don't know what that is, every truck normally has it. Depends on your year model. The older the truck, sometimes they don't have them, but this is how you pretty much run your check engine light when you bring your truck to a shop or you read it yourself.
Pretty sure it's 95 and up if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I found a couple of trucks I tried to read for my buddies and we couldn't do it. I'm pretty sure it was around that time too. So it comes with a micro USB, so when they update these tuners, when they make the 4, because this is a 3, you're able to download those new tunes to it, so you're pretty much always having a fresh update, which is amazing. What we're rocking with, y'all, seems pretty simple. This is a plug and play scanner. The downloads not take long at all either, just from the videos I've been watching. So Alex is plugging in. We're gonna just go ahead and get our cord ran the way we want to. I'm not gonna bore you guys. We just literally just plugged in the tuner right here. We ran our wire to hide it so it's not just hanging all over the place. We'll throw our cover back over, ran it all the way up through here. And then somewhere in there, we're gonna mount it here in a second. Cleaning the window where we're gonna put the suction cup. Get it all nice and pretty. Alex is about to throw it up where we're gonna have it. Liking it, y'all. I just want to see it from where I'm gonna be sitting. Yeah, I like that, dude. All right, y'all, so what we're rocking with is, yes, just agreeing to these terms. We have tuning, performance test, settings, gauges, and logging. Cool thing about this tuner, y'all, did say that the download for the tunes are pretty fast, so we're not gonna have to wait too long. There's not no hour to download each tune. It's just trying to recognize the vehicle right now. We're gonna turn the key to the on switch. Those are the main gauges that you get. You got speed, trans temp, read them out, Alex.
We got speed, ABS, some kind of voltage, battery voltage, trans temp, spark, the ECT temp, and the load.
It's pretty fancy, dude. So that's the main screen once all these tunes.
And your RPMs.
Yeah. Dope, man. I like it a lot. Cool things about these tuners, it's touchscreen, so Alex, slide your finger. You can go through a bunch of different settings, different gauge layout. The life is 38, but I just didn't reset the truck. It's brand new.
All right, so we got tuning. All right, tune vehicle. You got extreme. Press continue to begin reading your factory's data. Backing up your original PCM.
Yep. Almost at 100. There we go. Downloads are fast.
Tune selected extreme. Accept and install. This thing better be extreme. What we got right now is we're going to head and put the tire size in. What is it, Peter?
It is 285, 55, R20, 22, 11.
Use that. Then the gears. Alright, now rev limiter. We just set it at 6 like it always normally is. Speed limiter is at 97 miles per hour. 147 is your new speed limit. 150. Fuel, I'm not gonna mess with that because I'm not a professional tuner.
What we got going on, y'all, is that you can actually choose the different stages of your tune. So I can actually go back to my stock tune, but when I put it in extreme, that's the settings that we're messing with right now. So that's just our performance. That's us giving it all it can get. And if I want to do like my gas efficiency, I can go back down the drive and it's just like different stages of the tunes, but we got it set in stone. I think the next step, Alex, we're gonna run through a couple more little settings, but we'll probably turn the truck over and see what she's got. So the truck started, we got our main tunes installed. We're on the main gauges right now. We're about to go do the 0 to 60 test. Going out, we're just gonna see what the truck feels like. It's got more pep in it.
I'm barely touching the gas.
Alex is barely touching the gas. Straight road. It's pretty neat how this does this. So you can, it's like an actual extra. Jesus, dude. He's looking good. The next day, y'all, Alex and I, we were trying to figure out how to do the 0 to 60 test, and we just couldn't get it to work. Didn't get a time for mine. And honestly, y'all, I want to just give you everything I can in this video, but I physically can't because there's just so many little small settings. I can't show y'all. I have to drive the truck. I have to figure out what exactly I like for my liking so I can get them all set up. But I'll show you some specs here in a second. I'm about to head to my girlfriend's. She's gonna jump in the truck, and you guys did not get to see me drive it with this thing on. So we're gonna drive around a little bit, maybe do a couple more little tests for y'all. Just jumped in the truck. I got my girlfriend holding the camera. We're gonna go for a little drive just to see. You guys get to see me drive because this thing is just so freaking cool. When we pull out of here, we beat it pretty hard yesterday, so I'm only gonna go about half throttle, but I just want y'all to see the freaking pickup this truck has. Lex, I don't know if we can try to show it on here. Like I said, half throttle. Like, I'm at 60. So to compare a 0 to 60 speed for like this year's trucks, like I said, Alex's truck, he had different gears in it. He had that truck tuned on a dyno, and I think his fastest time was like 9.1. So I think I'm pretty confident I am under 9 seconds on this truck. And for it to be an 05, I mean, that's pretty quick. I mean, it's just like, listen. Here's my intake. I said, y'all, there's a lot of specs on this tuner, and I can't show you guys. I can't actually go through all of them. Like I said, I have on one of these settings, I have my horsepower. So as I'm giving it gas, I can regulate how much this motor's pushing out. There's a lot of little things that I still don't even know about this tuner that I have to just learn. So it's gonna take me a couple of days just to try to figure that stuff out. Huge shout out to Edge Tuner. I highly recommend y'all, if you want to bring your truck alive, you gotta get these tuners. They sent one out. I'm freaking loving everything about them. I'm gonna put my stickers up. I think this was a really good purchase for the truck.
Hey, Austin.
Let me give him a call.
Piece of shit.
Are you at your house?
Piece of shit.
No,
Oh, you're not?
I'm working.
Oh, I just drove by your house. I'm about to shout out your company on the camera.
Do it, you won't.
I'm holding your hat right now. If you shut the up, I'll do it. I'll see you later. My buddy Austin isn't home. This is the truck I bought for him. He actually has his own company now, Printy Creations, y'all. He sells a bunch of stuff, does a lot of good patio work. The dude is very, very talented. So if you live in our area and you need some work done, give Austin a call. Doing this for Austin. Red truck, red hat. I love you, buddy. I'll leave all of his stuff in the description. Go follow on Instagram. Like, legit, really good patio work. Sometimes when I'm not doing YouTube, guys, I'll go help him out. We've worked a couple times together. The boy's talented. He knows what he's doing, and he's got a freaking brand new Duramax. Old 6.6, so he'll be on the channel too, so you'll see more of Austin. Like I said, I had to spend some more time with the truck to figure out this tuner, but every day I'm learning more and more. Highly recommend y'all, if you want to bring your truck alive, go to edgetuner.com. Get everything you need. They sell a bunch of stuff. They sell smaller little plugins just for certain tunes. This is kind of a whole scanner. They have all different models and makes for different types of trucks. I had a couple modifications I wanted to do before this tuner, but it came in, Alex was off work, and I just wanted to get it done. We have a lot more modifications underneath the hood that we're gonna do to this truck. That's all gonna make it pull together. If y'all enjoyed this video and wanna see more performance mods to this truck, y'all, you know what to do, leave them in the comments down below. Like I said, in the next couple of videos, we're gonna be doing some stuff underneath the hood. I hope you guys are ready for it. I appreciate it, guys. Lit and Bass TV.